girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Hello?
Is the heart of a woman, yeah. Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman, yeah. Question is why I do the things I do. Answer I may never find, but I'll always choose you. Wanna give up on you, but damn, I know I can't. I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. And I try to be strong. I put your words on your life this time. And I hope your words ain't lying, 'cause only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman, yeah. Oh yeah. Only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman, yeah. It's my mind and my soul, pressing your pride. Nigga, check your ego, 'cause I left mine at the door just because I let it slide. Drowning all of my emotions, I let you slide in this ocean. I'm in love, and I try to be strong. I put your words on your life this time, and I hope your words ain't lying, 'cause no one can take it no more. I'm bound to walk out the door. Is the heart of a woman.
So damn important. Everything you do, show me you know it. Behind it all, you are the motive. Don't tell you enough, but baby, I'll show it, show it. Say the king where we come from. City of Queens, no one. So baby, I'ma drive it like it's stolen. I'ma fix it like it's broken. We can catch a flight in London. Mars, really up, so they can try to catch up to us, but they're too busy making us something.
what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Unice hair, and today you guys, I am reviewing one of their Jerry Curly units. This is actually a 7x5 by 9 unit. You do have the option to wear this as a glueless install, or you can use the lace tape that they provide. And I actually started using these lately and I really do like the lace tape. They have a really good firm hold on it, and today at first I was going to do a glueless install, and technically I did, but it was because I went ahead and did like baby hairs everywhere. That's what's kind of making it like a non-glueless, you know, but I didn't like do like the normal thing that most people do, you know. Of course I put it around the hairline, melt the lace and everything like that. I didn't do that. I just put the unit on. It already had the pre-cut lace, so I really do appreciate that. And as far as the lace, the only thing that I had to do with that was just put a little bit of makeup on the lace, and then of course you want to put some on your wig cap as well. And then I did go in with my LA Pro concealer, and this is what it looks like. I got mine in the color Fawn, and that is what I used here in the center part. When it comes to wearing like any type of colored units, like red, like of course, you know, this red unit I have on, if you were to wear like blue hair, purple hair, anything like that, I highly recommend using some type of concealer. It just helps make your part stand out a little bit more. Sometimes, you know, your part can just get lost when you're wearing units like that, whereas I feel like when you're wearing just a natural colored unit, you don't always have to use concealer. It's more of a preference when you use it versus when it's like something like this. I highly recommend that you do, because it just makes a huge difference. Now, one thing that I really liked about this unit is how well the lace melts. Like, as you guys can see, the lace looks really good on this unit. I cannot stress that enough. You don't have to do the baby hairs, but I did feel like I wanted to add baby hair with this look just to add something extra to it. But like, look at that color here. It almost gives you like a bleach knot type of look, even though I don't feel like they would bleach the knots with this because it's already colored and everything. So yeah, but it just looks really good, and I love this color on my skin tone. I feel like it complements me very well. It's a very versatile color. I feel like a lot of people can get away with this particular color, so I love that this is just like one of those universal colors that I feel like everyone can wear, and it's just really pretty on everyone. I absolutely love it. This unit has something called bye-bye knots. So basically it means that the knots are very tiny to the point where you literally cannot see them, okay? So I'm gonna come up closer. I'll actually zoom you guys in as well. But yeah, you don't see the knots. And I did show you guys prior to me adding the baby hairs what the hairline looked like. Now for me, I do have contour around my forehead, which is a darker bronzy type of color, so that's why there was like a line of demarcation with how light the actual lace was versus my foundation and the makeup that I have going on. So the other thing I like about it though is like, look at how well they pre-plucked that. It just looks really good. It's so natural looking, and you do get quite a bit of parting space. I will show you guys really quick. So if you guys wanted to, you guys could actually do like 2 ponytails up here. I'm trying to do it without like doing too much, but you guys see, like, you still get like scalp throughout and you get a nice deep parting space. It does go down lower as well because the tracks don't start until like down here, and the tracks start like right there. You can actually see it there. So yeah, but I have this going down. If you wanted to with this unit, you can definitely wear like 2 ponytails. You can do a flip over. And I don't currently have any products in this hair right now. This is just a natural state of the hair. Like, I did show you guys earlier what it looks like wet, and I just have water in here. I don't even have conditioner in here. This is just straight up water. But if you do use any type of like curl products, foaming mousse or anything like that, just know that that will change the pattern a little bit. So that's why I don't typically like to use a lot of different products, because it does change the curl pattern in the hair. And mind you, this is what it looks like coming straight out of a box. Like, I love the fact that this is just one of those ready to wear, ready to go type of units. And I love the fit to this unit, because I had did a review for another company very recently, and that unit, I wanted to wear it as a glueless install, but I felt like that was one of those units that I definitely needed to use like some lace tape with. I need to do something, whereas this, soon as I put it on, it was just like nice and snug, and it just fit me perfectly. And I love the fact that they do have the straps in the back. So they have the adjustable straps in the very back, and they also have an elastic band along with several combs. So this is one of those units that's really snug. You don't have to, you know, and it's something that if you didn't want to use any product, you don't have to. It's a very quick and easy put on and go type of unit. Just add a little bit of water to it and you're literally ready to go. And then of course it has like a nice deep parting space. I love how this turned out. I just think it's so pretty. And like I said, I just love this color on me. It's just a really beautiful unit. I like the density for this one, but I will say that the density for this one is on the lighter side. I would say it's giving like 150% density, because this is actually all of the hair up front. Okay, this is everything up front. So I would say it's like a standard like 150 to 180% density. I don't feel like it's anything thicker than that. And if you want to go up in the density, you know, you can always do that. But do keep in mind that because this is a tighter curl, that it's gonna get poofier on you if you go too thick in the density. It'll look more like a fro. It's gonna be a lot more work as far as like the maintenance for it, like trying to make sure that you keep it like detangled. So just be mindful of that when you're going up in the density when it comes to a curly unit like this that is gonna require more maintenance. Whereas this, it still requires maintenance because of the curl pattern, but it's just not as much. And I just love how this looks with just putting only water on it, and look how defined and pretty these curls look. It's not dry and brittle, it's not like shedding all over the place, so I like that about it as well. But do keep in mind, because of the tighter curl pattern, it is more likely for you to experience like tangling and shedding, and it's just because of the curl pattern, okay? It doesn't mean that it's like bad quality or anything like that. When you have a tighter curl pattern, just like your natural hair, if your natural hair is like a really tight curl, it's more likely that your hair is going to tangle. And when it tangles, you know, you're going to have some shedding, you're going to have some, you know, snapping of the hair, especially because most people don't really know how to detangle their hair. So just make sure you, when you are detangling this unit, that you do it while it's wet. Make sure you use some type of conditioner, let it soak and sit on there for a little bit, and then always start at the very ends and then work your way up to the roots. But yeah, this is the finished look, you guys. I absolutely love this. If you guys are wanting to try this unit out for yourself, make sure you check out that description box down below for a direct link along with all the details. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below. Shout out to Unice Hair for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to all of you guys for watching, and I'll see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.